Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about Square Loan's eligibility requirements. If you're a small business owner using Square, you've probably heard about or seen an offer for a Square loan. The first and most important thing to know is that these loans are by invitation only. You can't just apply off the street. Your eligibility is based on your history of processing payments through Square. From my experience and what Square outlines, there are a few key factors they are consistently looking at. First, your Square processing volume is critical. You need to have processed a significant amount of payments. Generally, businesses that have processed at least $10,000 or more in a year are more likely to be eligible for an offer. This number gives them confidence in your revenue stream. Second, they look at your payment frequency and account history. Your business needs to have been active and used Square to process payments for at least 20 days in the last year. Consistently taking payments shows a healthy, active business. A steady pattern is what they want to see, and if you have any history of late repayments on a previous Square loan, that will certainly impact your eligibility for a new one. Third, Square is very much looking at the health and stability of your account. They review things like your chargeback history. That's when a customer disputes a charge. Too many payment disputes can indicate risk and affect your eligibility. They also look at your customer mix. A good balance of new and returning customers suggests sustainable growth. It's important to understand that your loan offer size is also determined by your Square processing history. The higher your processing volume, the larger the offer you might receive. So, to summarize what you need to focus on to become eligible: process high volume. Target at least $10,000 in annual sales through Square. Be active and consistent. Use Square on at least 20 days a year with a steady flow of payments. Maintain a clean account. Keep your chargebacks low and your account in good standing. If you meet these internal criteria, Square's system may generate an offer that will appear right in your dashboard. That's when you know you're eligible. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.